Welcome to Temples Guide English channel. In our video today, I will tell you very important information about VIP letters and the darshan related to it. Please do watch the video until the end. During this video, I will also cover the free tickets which will be issued in Tirupati and the difference between the virtual seva and the darshan ticket, who all can go to the seva, how to book the rooms if your darshan is done and the room booking is not done. So please do watch the video until the end. There's lot of important information related to Tirumala and Tirupati. Now coming to the VIP letters, what I was referring to. We all know that Vaikunta Ekadashi is falling on January 13th. So TTD has informed in their website that from January 13th to January 22nd, there will be Uttara Dwara Darshanam available for all the devotees. But please do remember, from January 13th to 22nd, no devotee will be allowed to have darshan of Lord Venkateshwara even though they have the recommendation letter of MP, MLA or TTD board members. I am repeating it. From January 13th to January 22nd, none of the devotees will be allowed to have darshan during this period even though you have a VIP letter or a recommendation letter along with you. Apart from these dates, January 1st being the New Year's Day, even on January 1st, the devotees will not be allowed to have darshan when they have the recommendation letter with them. Now coming to free offline tickets which are to be given in Tirupati, it is informed already in our previous video that only the residents who live in Tirupati will be issued these free tickets. Many people are inquiring from us that they belong to Tirupati but don't stay in Tirupati, nor they do have their address printed in Aadhaar card as Tirupati. Are they still eligible? We are very sorry. Only if your address in Aadhaar card says you are from Tirupati, only then you will be allowed for darshan, along with this free ticket which will be issued in Tirupati. So we were informed that there will be 5 counters in Tirupati and each counter will be issuing 1000 tickets per day only to the residents of Tirupati. So people who do not get the online tickets of 300 rupees or free darshan online, and if they live in Tirupati, they are lucky to have these free tickets which are issued per day around 5000 numbers. Now let me give you some information about virtual seva and darshan related to this seva. Now having virtual seva or online seva is quite different from having a darshan related to seva. During the normal times, we generally book for a seva, and once the seva is done for the Lord Venkateshwara, we then proceed for the darshan of the Lord. But during this COVID time, you will be allowed to just book the virtual seva which will be shown online on the TTD website. For example, if you are booking for Kalyanotsava around 12 o'clock, after the seva is done, you will be asked for one more screen where it will show a darshan possible dates. So according to your calendar, you need to book the darshan separately, and this darshan is valid within a year after you complete the seva. Let me give you an example. If you are booking for seva in January and for some reason you are not able to book a darshan in the month of January, before December in the next coming year, you are eligible for a darshan related to the seva what you have already finished. Now many people keep asking us who all can go, because there are 2 people who are allowed. 2 male people are allowed to go for seva, or 2 females are also allowed, or a wife and a husband, or the combination of any of the above are allowed. One more frequently asked question is, are the stairs open? Can we go on the stairs near Alipiri? And what are the timings for these Alipiri stairs? Alipiri Stairs Way is open from 6 am to 6 pm, and please do note that darshan tickets will not be issued during the Alipiri Stairs Way. If you think that you are going to climb from the stairs and reach Tirumala and during this time you can pick up a ticket for darshan, please do note, no such darshanam tickets are available in Alipiri Stairs Way. Coming to offering your hair for tonsure, Please do note that Kalyanakatta opposite to temple is available for hair tonsure, and not only that, wherever you are booking your rooms, even there this facility is available for all the devotees. One more very important thing I would like to inform all of you. If you have booked for darshan and you did not get a room or your room is not booked, you can do one thing. Please do visit CRO office. I repeat, CRO office, and please show your darshanam ticket and provide one of the members' Aadhaar card details. You will get a token number on the mobile number registered. Once you get the token number, within 2 hours, you can go back to CRO office, or there will be a message in your mobile where your room is allotted. Please do note, within 2 hours after you receive this message on the mobile, you need to go and claim the room which is on your name. If you think that let us finish the tour visit or let us finish the darshan and then go, room will be allotted to somebody else. One last thing I would like to tell you is the tickets for January and February, both the 300 tickets and free darshan tickets are completed. There are no more tickets available online. If there are any more tickets for the month of February or March, the tickets will be issued only after Jan 20th. In our next video, as soon as we get the information, we will definitely inform you when the tickets for the month of February or March will be available. Kindly you can book then and have a darshan. Apart from whatever we have covered in our video today, if you still do have any questions or queries, please do comment in our comment section. We'll definitely get back to you with whatever authentic information we know. If you are a new subscriber to our channel, please do subscribe, like our videos, and please do share them so that the other devotees will also be getting the right information at the right time. Thank you so much for encouraging us. Om Namo Venkatesaya.